Muthupaitra, would you see the slide?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
ஓகே சார். சார் குப்ரான் அப்படி ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டான்.
Okay, fine. Okay, today I'm going to continue the on delay timer and I am going to start off delay timer. Today what I'm going to cover is on delay timer, off delay timer. Okay, this is one of the applications of on delay timer. Okay, you just see. Once the switch SW1 is closed, suddenly enable bit will be enabled and timer timing bit starts timing. One second. Okay, sorry. Once the switch is closed, enable bit will be enabled and timer timing bit starts timing. Already you know this one is for accumulator value. The accumulator value will be initially 0. Preset value is nothing but 12 second. 12,000 means 12,000 millisecond they are given. Okay, 12,000 millisecond means 12 second. Timer 1. This one is type of timer on delay timer. Accumulator value will be initially 0. Preset value will be 12 second or 12,000 millisecond. Timer is timer 1. Timer 1 is selected. This one is type of timer will be on. So you can say this one is on delay timer. Once the switch is closed, enable bit will be enabled immediately. Okay, and timer starts timing. 1 second, 2 second, 3 second. Okay, once it reaches the 12 second, done bit will be energized. Once the accumulate value reaches the preset value, done bit will be energized. So here you can see the address timer 1 done bit address is there. So once the done bit is energized, this contact will be closed and wall will be energized. Here the wall will be energized after 12 second only. Switch is closed, timer timing bit starts timing 1 second, 2 second, up to 12 second it will go. After 12 second only done bit will be energized. This contact will be closed, wall will be energized. Once the switch is closed, after 12 second delay only the wall will be energized. For that reason why we can say this one is on delay timer. Got it?
Sir.
Vijay,
Yes,
is
sir.
this okay?
Okay, sir.
Once the switch is closed, wall must be energized. But here the wall will be energized after 12 second only, because the accumulator value will be equal to the preset value. Timer timing bit will be starts timing 1 second, 2 second, up to 12 second it will timing. Okay, once the accumulator value reaches the preset value, then only done bit will be energized, this contact will be closed and wall will be energized. So there will be 12 second delay. That's why we are saying this one is on delay timer. Got it?
Yes,
Got
sir.
it, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Here I am going to start 3 motors with the help of 1 bit press. Sorry, 1 switch press. Okay. Here this one is for stop push button. Already I told this one is emergency condition only generally people are using. So this one is normally closed conditions. Normally closed condition. Start push button will be normally opened. Okay, this one is for seal in contact. This one is nothing but your seal in contact or holding circuit. This one is loop oil pump motor. Loop oil pump motor. Loop oil means lubricating oil. Loop oil means what? Lubricating oil. Okay, this one is nothing but your overload production contact. This one is nothing but your overload production contact. This one is for another one motor. This one is for main motor. Before we start the main motor, we should lubricate something. After lubrication only, main motor should start. Okay, for that reason why here we are keeping lubricating oil pump motor. This one is nothing but a feed motor. This one is nothing but your feed motor. Okay. Now I am pressing this one. Now I am pressing this one. What will happen? So the rung is having continuity. Once you press this one, the rung is having continuity. So lubricating oil pump motor will be energized. This loop oil pump motor starter coil will be energized. Once this one is energized, this contact will be closed. This contact will be closed. Since this one is momentarily closed switch, immediately this will open. Even though this is open, this one is sealing M1 through M1. That's why we are saying this one is seal in contact. Okay. So once start push button is pressed, immediately loop oil pump motor will be energized. Otherwise, motor starter coil will be energized. Once this one is energized, this contact will be closed. So this will having the keeping the continuity in this way. Okay. Okay. Because of the loop oil pump motor, there will be pressure buildup will be taking place. There will be pressure buildup, oil pressure. Oil is giving some pressure. Oil is giving some pressure. Pressure buildup will be taking place. Once pressure reaches particular value, once the pressure buildup reaching the particular value, this pressure switch will be energized. This pressure switch will be energized and this will close. Okay, because of the loop oil pump motor, pressure buildup is taking place. Because of the specific pressure, the pressure switch will be closed. Once the pressure switch is closed, the main motor will be energized. The main motor will be energized and the coil, time delay coil will be energized. Got it? Once the pressure switch is closed, this main drive motor coil will be energized. At the same time, time delay coil will be energized. Okay. Once the time delay coil is energized, timing will be starts. 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second. Once it reaches the 15 second, that time this contact will be closed. This contact will be closed and the feed motor will be getting started. I will repeat once again. You just carefully watch. This one is for rail. L1 and L2 is nothing but your rail. This one is for rung. This one is for rung. Okay. This one is for stop push button. Stop push button normally closed condition. Start push button normally open condition. Now you are pressing the start push button 2. You are pressing this one. At that time, this rung is holding the continuity. So the current will flow and reaches the loop oil pump motor or motor starter coil will be energized. Once the M1 is energized, the M1 contact will be closed. Since this one is momentarily closed switch, at a moment only this will close and then open. At the moment it's closing, this will close the contact. This coil energized and this contact closed. So through which the current is keep going. So the motor is keep running. So once the motor keep running, pressure buildup is oil pressure buildup is taking place. Once the pressure reaches the particular value, this contact will be closed. This contact will be closed. Once this pressure switch is closed, the M2 is running. The main drive motor will be running and the time delay coil will be energized. Once the time delay coil is energized, timer is timing 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second. Like that, the timer is timing. Once it reaches the 15 second, this contact will be closed. Once this contact is closed, feed motor will be energized. Understand the process?
Yes, sir.
Pasupati? Pasupati?
Sir.
Understand the process?
Yes, sir.
Would you explain this one?
Sir, once.
Pasupati,
Sir, light as
would you explain this one? Huh? Shall I should repeat? Vijay, listen carefully. Listen
Okay.
carefully, you got to explain.
Okay.
Pasupati and Vijay.
Okay.
This for L1 and L2 are two rails. RAILS, rails. This one is stop push button. Normally, this one is at closed condition. This one is start push button. Normally, this one is at open condition. Okay. Once you press the momentarily closed switch, PP2, at that time, the rung is keeping the continuity. The rung is keeping the continuity. Because of that continuity, the M1 loop oil pump motor starter coil will be energized. Once this coil is energized, coil of motor is energized, this contact will be closed. Since this one is momentarily closed to switch, immediately this will open. The current flow will take place in this direction through seal-in contact. Through seal-in contact, the M1 starter coil will be energized, keep energized. Even though this momentarily closed switch is open, because of the seal-in contact, the M1 starter coil will be keep energized with the help of M11. Okay, because of keep running up loop oil pump motor, pressure buildup is taking place. Pressure buildup is taking place. Oil pressure buildup is taking place. Once the oil pressure reaches the specific value, the pressure switch will be closed. The pressure switch will be closed. So, main drive motor will be energized. Main drive motor starter coil will be energized and the motor M2 will be keep running. And time delay coil will be energized. Motor starter coil is energized, M2 is energized and time delay coil will be energized. Once the time delay coil is energized, timer starts timing 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, like that timer starts timing. Once it reaches the 15 second, this contact will be closed. This normally open contact will be closed and the motor M3 feed motor, the feed motor M3 will be energized. Understand? You just try to explain this one, then only you can get better clarity. Pasupati?
Sir.
Yeah, you can start. I just want your level of learning.
Sir, when you start push button.
Yeah. When you press the start push button, yeah.
The loop body pump motor get energized. But the start push button is momentarily opened. After opening also the current will pass through M1, M1 to 1,
Oh. Run continuity is there.
run continuity.
Yeah. Then once loop oil pump motor is energized, what will happen? Loop oil pump motor is energized, pressure buildup is taking place. Oil pressure buildup is taking place. Once loop oil pump motor is energized, oil pressure buildup is taking place. Yeah, continue. Loop oil pump motor is energized.
And the main drive motor gets energized, and the TDA also
First,
get energized.
one second. Once the pressure buildup is taking place, the pressure reaches the specific value. The pressure reaches the specific value. The pressure must be built up to certain value. After reaching that value, the pressure switch will be closed. Then only the main drive motor starter coil will be energized and the time delay coil will be energized. Once the time delay coil is energized, the timer is starts timing. 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, like that. Up to 15 second, the timer is timing. Once it reaches the 15 second, this open contact will be closed. Once this contact is closed, feed motor getting started. Feed motor starter coil will be energized and feed motor is started. Got it? Pasupati?
Sir.
Would you tell me again?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
you just tell me. Yeah.
The PS1 கிட்ட ஏதோ சொன்னீங்களா சார்?
Yeah. So,
அது
yeah. Once the loop oil pump motor is started, this one is energized now. Because of energization of M1, the loop oil pressure will be increased. Loop oil pressure will be, this one is pump. Because of this motor action, the loop oil pressure will be increased. The loop oil pressure will be increased. So that the increase in pressure of loop oil will be sensed by this sensor. That pressure, the oil pressure is keep increasing. Because of this motor, the oil pressure is increasing. Okay. So once that pressure value reaches that particular value, at that time, this pressure switch senses that value. The pressure switch senses that value. Okay. Once it reaches that specific value, this pressure switch will be closed. This pressure switch will be closed. Okay. Now run continuity is there. Because of that run continuity, the main drive motor starter coil will be energized and the time delay coil will be energized. Once the time delay coil is energized, here timer is timing. Timer is starts timing 1 second, 2 second. Up to 15 second, the timer is timing. After reaching the 15 second, the feed motor starter coil will be energized. Still you are having doubt?
No, sir.
Pasupati, loop oil
No,
pump
sir.
motor is energized. Pressure buildup will be taking place in the oil. Oil is giving some pressure. Oil is giving some pressure. Okay. So because of running up M1, oil pressure will be keep increasing. Once it reaches the particular value, once that pressure, loop oil pressure will be reaching that particular value, the pressure switch will be closed. Once the pressure switch is closed, main drive motor starts running and time delay coil is energized. Now timer starts timing 1 second, 2 second, 3 second. Up to 15 second this will go. Once it reaches the 15 second, the feed motor starter coil will be energized. Got it?
Sir.
Hope you understand. Vijay, is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Shall I move on to next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. This one is for relay diagram or PLC diagram?
Relay
This one
diagram.
is
Relay.
relay ladder
Relay.
schematic diagram. This one is relay ladder schematic diagram. The same diagram, we can write it in the form of PLC. The same diagram will be draw in the way of PLC ladder logic. This one is nothing but your PLC ladder logic. Okay, that normally closed switch is there now. Instead of that one, this one is for normally closed push button. Normally closed to push button. This one is for normally opened start push button. This one is nothing but normally open start push button. This one is for seal in contact. This one is for seal in contact. This one is for loop oil pump motor. This one is nothing but your loop oil. Loop oil means lubrication oil. Loop oil means lubrication oil. Okay, lubricating oil. So, lubricating oil pump motor M1. This one is nothing but a pressure switch. Normally open pressure switch. Okay. Then here I am connecting the main drive motor. This one is nothing but your main drive motor. Okay, this one is for timer instruction. This one is for timer instruction. Okay, this one is for contact. This one is for contact, done bit contact. Since this one is address of T40, this timer instruction is T40 and done bit symbol. Okay. Now let me explain the operation of the PLC ladder logic. Once PP2 is closed, this one is PP1 is closed, normally closed, PP2 is pressed, at that time the rung continuity is there. Because of that rung continuity, the loop oil pump motor will be energized. Loop oil pump motor will be energized. Once this one is energized, this contact will be closed. So the continuity will be in this direction. Because this one is momentarily closed and opened. Now the continuity is in this direction. Would you see the cursor movement?
Yes, sir.
Would you see the cursor movement?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
The continuity will be in this direction. So now M1 is keep energized. Once the loop oil pump motor starter coil is keep energized, there will be oil pressure. The loop oil pressure buildup is taking place. So the pressure value will be keep increasing. Once it reaches the specific value or particular value, at that time, this contact will be closed. This contact will be closed. Once it reaches the particular value, the oil pressure reaches the particular value, that one is sensed by the pressure switch and this will closed. Once this one is closed, the main motor is getting started. The main motor is getting started. At the same time, this timer instruction is also energized. The timer instruction is also energized. Energized means enable bit will be energized. Enable bit will be energized. Now the accumulator value will be increasing. I mean that timer is timing. Accumulator value is keep increasing. I mean that timer is timing 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, up to 15 second. The timer is timing. Once the accumulator value reaches the preset value of this 15, that time done bit will be energized. T40 done bit. This once this done bit is energized, this contact will be closed and M3 feed motor will be starts running. Feed motor is starts running. The same logic only. Same logic only. Only here, instead of that coil, instead of this time delay and the time delay coil, here I am using the on delay timer instruction. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it,
If you are
sir.
not understanding, you just ask me. This is since you are in the beginning stage only now. So if you are asking doubt, no problem at all. Is this okay, Pasupati?
Okay, sir.
Vijay, could you explain this one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
L1 and L2 are rails, and BP1 is normally closed, and um, BP2 is once pressed, the M1 is energized, and M1 சார் M1க்கு சொல்லிடவா இது
Hmm.
அது என்னன்னு லூப்
Hmm.
ஆயில் பம்ப்னு
Yeah.
pressure pumps. Okay. And this is energized. The main starter is energized and continuously rack. The loop oil pressure at the reach at the specific value, the
Good.
pressure switch is closed, and the pressure switch is closed. The main drive motor is energized. The main drive motor is energized. The um,
Energized and
timer and sir, sir,
this motor is energized at this instruction is also energized. This instruction is also energized. So enable bit is enabled.
timer
Okay. And
enable. Okay, sir.
and timer starts timing.
And
You
timer is
increase.
timing
Yeah.
decreased.
Timer
1
is
to
timing.
50
2
second
second.
after the 50 second after the M3 தானே சார் அது M கிளியரா இல்லையா
Yeah.
M1 3
M3.
this is energy. This is sir.
Okay. So once the switch is closed, the main motor will be started. At the same time, this on delay timer instruction is also energized and the enable bit will be enabled. Okay. Now timer starts timing 1 second, 2 second. Once it reaches the 15 second, done bit will be energized. Once the done bit is energized, this contact will be closed because this contact address will be T40 and DN. So once it reaches the 15 second, done bit will be energized. This contact will be closed. M3 feed motor will be starts running. Good. Good, Vijay. Now we move on to off delay timer. Okay, you should note this one with keen care. 1 second. Yeah. Off delay programmed timer. So here off action only delaying. If you are switch on the light, immediately light will glow. If you switch off the light after switch off the light, after you are setting some seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. After 10 seconds only, the light will off. Understand the concept? On delay timer means you just on the switch. After some time only, the bulb will off. Okay, that one is on delay timer. Off delay timer means you just switch on the light. Immediately the light will on. You just switch off the light. After 5 seconds only, the bulb will off. This one is off delay timer. Understand the difference between on delay timer and off delay timer?
Yes, sir.
You just switch on the light. After 5 seconds, the bulb is glowing. This one is nothing but your on delay timer. Off delay timer means you just switch on the light. Immediately the bulb will glow. You just switch off. You just switch off. The bulb will off after 5 seconds. It will take 5 second delay for off the light. Switch off the light. Okay. You remember this one. Clear? Vijay, is this clear?
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, fine. This one is for off delay timer instruction. Okay, T off delay timer instruction. Here I am notating as T off, timer off delay, timer off delay, timer T4 3. I am choosing the timer 3. If you are going for that instructions, there will be so many timer will be there. You need to select T4 2, you can select T4 1, you can select T4 6, you can select. Here they are selecting T4 3. T4 3 timer they have selected. Time base is 1 second. Time base is 1 second. Preset value is 15 second. Here 15 second directly they are taking. So 15,000 they are, suppose they use the notation of 15,000. At that time you should understand that they gave the value in millisecond. Here they are giving seconds. Understand? Instead of 15, if suppose they are giving 15,000 means you should understand that they are giving the value in millisecond. Understand, Pasupati?
Yes, sir.
They suppose they are giving directly 5 second, 10 second like that, you can take it. Sometime 15,000 second like that they are giving. That one is not 15,000 second. This one is 15,000 millisecond. 15,000 millisecond. Milli means what? 10 to the power of minus 3. So 15,000 divided by 1000, that one is nothing but 15. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Yeah. This one is accumulator value. Here enable bit is there, done bit is there. Here done bit contact will be there. This one is output. Output pilot light. Output pilot light or pilot light. Okay. Now the switch is closed. Now the switch is closed. The enable bit will be enabled immediately. Enable bit will be energized. Once the switch is closed, enable bit will be enabled for both off delay timer or on delay timer. Once the switch is closed, enable bit will be energized immediately. You just remember this one. Once the switch is closed, enable bit will be energized, whether that one is on delay timer or off delay timer. Okay. Then done bit is also energized. Immediately done bit is also energized. Since this one is off delay timer. Enable bit is also energized. Done bit is also energized. In off delay timer, after timer is timing, accumulator value reaches the preset value only, done bit will be energized. But once this contact is closed, immediately done bit will be energized in the off delay timer. Once the done bit is energized, this contact will be closed and the pilot light will be on. Listen carefully. Once the switch is closed, enable bit will be enabled and the done bit is also enabled. Okay, done bit is also enabled immediately because here off only delay action will be there. For on, there is no delay. So done bit is energized. Once the done bit is energized, this contact will be closed. The bulb will glow immediately. So switch on the light, switch on, the bulb will glow immediately without any delay. Understand? Once the switch is closed, enable bit will be energized, done bit is energized, this contact will be closed, the bulb will glow. Immediately this action are taking place. There is no delay. Then now you open the switch. At that time, timer starts timing. For off, once the switch is opened, accumulator value starts counting, starts timing. 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, up to 15 second it will count. After reaching the 15 second, this contact will be opened and light will off. Listen carefully. I will repeat. This one first you are closing this contact. Once you are closing this contact, enable bit will be enabled, done bit will be enabled. Once the done bit is enabled, this contact is closed, pilot light will be glowing immediately. So switch is closed, light will be on because this one is off delay timer. For switch on the bulb, there is no delay. So once you close the switch, the bulb will be on. Okay. Now this contact is opened. This contact is open. The enable bit will be off. And timer is timing 1 second, 2 second, 3 second. Once it reaches the 15 second, done bit will be off. Done bit will be off means this contact will be open and the bulb, this one is off. Is there any doubt on that?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Anyone ready to explain this one? Anyone ready to explain this one? I need to force somebody to explain this one. Muthu Pavitra. Muthu Pavitra is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, again Pasupati.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can start.
When the switch get on, the enable bit get enabled, and the done bit get also energized. When done bit is energized, the T4 gets closed and the bulb starts glowing.
Yeah.
When we switch it off, the enable bit get de-energized, and the done bit also get de-energized. The timer starts its count after reaching 50 seconds.
No. 1 second. Here you are committing mistake. Once this one is opened, enable bit will be disabled. Okay. Enable bit will be disabled. Previously, this done bit will be in energized condition only. So
So,
that accumulator value starts timing 1 second, 2 second. Once it reaches the 15 second, that time only the timer is off.
start,
So done bit will be off. Once
yes,
the done bit is de-energized, this contact will be open, the bulb will be off. Got it?
yes,
Got it,
sir.
Pasupati?
Yes, sir.
Now you repeat.
When the switch gets on, the enable bit gets enabled, and the done bit get also energized. The
Ah,
T4 gets closed, and the bulb starts glowing.
yeah.
When we turn it off the switch, the enable gets disabled. After 15 seconds, the counter starts its counting. After 15 seconds, the done bit gets de-energized, and the T4 switch becomes open. The bulb will get off.
Yeah. You can say this one is the contact T43 done bit will be opened. Like that you can say. Okay, good. Very good. Okay. Now I am going to explain about the timing diagram. So the time diagram S1. So the enable bit will be enabled when the switch is closed. Okay, this when the switch is opened, enable bit will be off. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Once the switch is closed, enable bit will be enabled. When the switch is opened, enable bit will be disabled. Okay. This one is enable bit indirectly showing the input status bits. Input status bit. Okay. You just see this. This one is for input. We are taking this one as input. Okay. So the contact is open up to this point. Up to this point. Could you see the cursor movement?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. S1 input up to this point. The switch is open. The contact is open. Okay, at that time, timing bit will be 0 only. Now, timer is not timing. When the input is 0, timer is not timing. So up to this point, the timing bit value will be 0. Timer is not timing. Okay, and the timed output is also 0. Timed output done bit is also 0. Okay, done bit is also 0. Okay, now this value becomes true. Now this value become true. Now I mean that the switch is closed. Once the switch is closed, okay, once the switch is closed, the timer is not timing immediately. Once the switch is closed, the timer is not timing. So that value is still 0. Okay, still 0. Again the switch is opened. That time only the timer starts timing. The timer starts timing 1 second, 2 second, 3 second. Up to 15 second, the count will go. After reaching the 15 second, this will become false. This will become false. So it will retain its previous position up to this value. Once this one is false, this value is equal to 0. This point is nothing but a preset value is equal to accumulator value.
Accumulation.
Got it? Along with the logic, if you go through this one, you could understand in better way. Shall I move on to next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
சார் half an hour தான் சொன்னீங்க.
Yeah, I'm going to finish.
ஓகே சார்.
Yeah. Half an hour only now. Now, I think that I took 15 minutes only. How
No,
much
sir.
time I took? Yeah. How much time I took?
42, 43 minutes.
43 minutes. Yeah, okay, let me complete this one program.
ஓகே சார்.
Okay. Off delay timer instruction programmed to switch motors of 5 second intervals. Yeah, you just try to understand the process first. I'm having 3 motors. Listen, Pasupati.
Okay, sir.
I'm having 3 motors. Once I switch on once you press the switch, 3 motors will be running. After that, I'm switch off. After I'm switching off, first motor will be off after 5 second delay. Second motor will off after 10 second delay. Third motor will be off after 15 second. For this, I am going to draw the ladder. First, you understand the problem. 3 motors I am having. I press the switch. Once I press the switch, 3 motor immediately getting started. Since this one is off delay timer, once you switch on, the 3 motor will be running. Off only delay will be there. Next, I am switch off. First motor should off after 5 second. Second motor should off after 5 second. I mean that 10 second. Third motor should off next 5 second. I mean that 15 second. First 5 second, first motor off. After 10 second, next motor will be off. Next 5 second, third motor will on. So first motor time delay will be 5 second. Second motor time delay will be 10 second. Third motor time delay will be 15 second. Are you able to understand the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. I am press the switch off. Sorry, Normally, the switch is opened. Enable bit will be disabled for all the 3 instructions. Okay, done bit is also disabled. Okay, once you press the switch, enable bit will be enabled in all the 3 instruction. The done bit is also enabled in all the 3 instruction. So this one T41 done bit, this contact will be closed. T42 done bit, this one will be closed. T43 done bit, this contact will be closed. So all the 3 motors will be started immediately. Okay, is this okay, Pasupati?
Yes, sir.
Once you press the switch, immediately done bit will be energized for all the 3. So all the 3 contacts will be closed immediately. All the 3 motors starter coil energized and immediately starts running. Am I right? Okay. Now you switch off. So what will happen? Done bit will be keep energizing. Done bit will be keep energizing and accumulator value starts timing. Timer is timing 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second. After 5 second count, done bit will be de-energized. So first contact will be open, motor will be off. Then it keep counting 6 second, 7 second, 8 second, 9 second, 10 second. After 10 second count is there, this done bit will be de-energized. So this contact will be open, motor 2 will be off. Then keep accumulator value 11 second, 12 second, 13 second, 14 second, 15 second. This done bit will be de-energized. This contact will be open. The motor 3 will be, motor starter coil 3 will be de-energized. Understand this program?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes,
Shall
sir.
I repeat once? Or
Okay, sir.
is it okay?
Okay,
Shall
sir.
I repeat? Okay, or I should repeat?
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. With this, I stop this one. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, sir.